Chef Willie high wings. You know, the highest level of wings. Best quality, best wings from scratch. I'm gonna show you guys how Chef Willie make his fried chicken wings from scratch. Stay tuned, guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Add a little tap of water now, guys. Rub in the lime, rub in the vinegar. Wash it thoroughly. You can feel the meat, feel the texture of the meat. Make sure it's fresh and clean. So we're moving on to the other step, guys. This is my little area where I like to prepare my chicken. And I got my seasoning over there on my seasoning rack. Everything is more baked and official and right. I'm gonna get straight right into it and show you guys. So my chicken wings, this is how you properly cut. Remember, guys, I wash my chicken thoroughly. There's no smell, there's no lime juice smell, there's no vinegar smell. You got to wash that meat thoroughly after you add your vinegar and lime, and you wash it and make sure your chicken is fully thawed out, and you can move it all over, and your bird is ready to cook. It's not frozen, it's ready to easily cut up. So I'm gonna show you guys how Chef Willie cut up his chicken in his wings, and let's get going. Bird, you go ahead, guys. It's very easy and simple. You split the middle, you just rub the sharp knife through it. See, wing separated from the leg. And this is what I do. Some people just fry their chicken like this with all the fat on it. I don't like this excessive fat on no meat that I cook. So this is how you make your meat perfect, so people could always just eat everything off your chicken wings. You cut this little piece off here, cut this little wing off here the side. This is all fat, this is no meat. This excessive fat right here, I cut this off too. No meat waste. Simple as that. And then I left it with this. This is my leg, my chicken wing, leg meat. See that, guys? You could eat all this when it's fried, and then you still got a little crispy side here when it's crunchy. For the wing piece, you cut this piece off. That's it. From the joint, very easy. Don't cut yourself, guys. And this excessive right here fat, I cut this off, and I cut this off. Let me show you guys how I do it. Go ahead. Well prepared. So my chicken is ready to season. With all of that, I'm gonna go add my flavors right now and show you guys how Chef Willie do this from scratch. But first guys, my pot is still empty. I'm gonna go add my oil and to let that warm for a minute and keep it hot while I season my meat. Stay tuned. There's a special tedious ingredients. Like the critiques, I like the criticism, you know, because that's how you get better in what you do. Okay, guys, I fully rub it in everywhere, coat it and cover it, and level it back out. You know, put them together and marinate a little bit. Remember, this chicken is just came out of freezing. They're all fresh, seasoned, and washed. So you want your chicken to have a good flavors. And don't drown your seasoning, guys. Just put it lightly all over the top, and then you rub it in, rub it all in. We'll go ahead and change these gloves. But first, let me show you guys how it looks. You see the colorful flavor, you can smell all the seasoning, all the flavor came right away. So that chicken is ready to go. Still sipping on my tea. And you can hear the oil bubbling. Hear that sound coming from the oil. When that sound is clear and the oil is not making no sound and silent, then you know your chicken is ready. This is what I use, guys. I grab me some eggs. I normally use 2 eggs for now, because I'm not really making a lot. Put it in my pan, and I use heavy cream. A little heavy cream, guys. That's what I use. Or you could use milk. Some people use milk and eggs. Some people use eggs alone. You know, but I use eggs and heavy cream. That's secret to my ingredients. Put a little heavy cream into my pan, and I put 2 eggs in it. And I'm gonna stir that up and give it a little flavor. Yes. So guys, I add 2 eggs. Mix it up in it. My heavy cream. Add a little more heavy cream so it's covered. So your chicken, when you throw it in it, they could be coated properly. Add a little heavy cream. Supposed to add that yellow look when I'm finished stirring it. Stir up your oak and the egg. That's how I do it. People want to know how Chef Willie make his chicken from scratch. This is how I do it, guys. Remember, the only place you can find this is on my channel, Chef Willie YouTube channel. See that? Colorful yellow. Mix out the yolk and everything. Because you want your flour, you want it to have that crispy look. So we use heavy cream and the eggs to give it that, so the flour could stick to your meat with flavors. Alright guys, you can use any brand, heavy cream, anything you want. And my chicken is right here, well prepared, marinating down. See that color? You want to smell it too. The flavors in it is so delicious. Go ahead guys, I'm gonna get my gloves again, because I don't want my hands to have seasoning on it, all in my fingernails and stuff. So I'm gonna go put my gloves on again, and I'm gonna show you guys how Chef Willie fries his chicken from scratch. Guys, I'm gonna add flour. This is the ingredients, guys. Remember, you gotta stay tedious to what I do. I add flour, and I'm gonna season that a little bit. Remember, I add my egg yolk, and well ready to sugar coat. This is how I do it. I still add a little adobe, a little of everything in my flour to keep it well seasoned. So when you taste the chicken with the flour on it, it's still coated. I add a little, not too much. Sprinkle a little of that chicken seasoning, a little paprika, so your chicken could have that crispy look, golden look, just like Popeyes and KFC chicken. Not too much, guys. Make sure you just sprinkle the top. A little bit on the top, a little chicken, and a little garlic powder. That's it. A little chicken, a little garlic, and then you stir it up, rub it in. You can use your fingers if you want, anything you want, rub it in to give it that flavor. And if you don't have a little quick, add a little more, because I like when my chicken golden look. So I'm gonna add a little more paprika. It's not coming out right, but I don't want too much to come out. But yes, that's good enough. Just add a little seasoning to your flour to give it a little more flavor when you add it. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, drop my gloves on again. First, because I don't want the seasoning all over my fingers. Put my gloves on. My chicken is still heating up. My oil is still heating up. It's supposed to be hot right now because I'm not hearing no sound coming from it. So my chicken is hot. I'm gonna go ahead, rub up some more chicken. Make sure you see that color. Grab a few. Add it to my heavy cream. Add a little more. Add it to my heavy cream. Stir it in the heavy cream, guys. Don't be afraid to put your fingers in it. Make it water down. The seasoning is not gonna come off of the chicken. You just add your heavy cream to it and make it milky. Drain it off a little bit. Put it in your flour and coat it. Coat your chicken. And so that you could press to keep the seasoning or to keep the flour in the chicken. Press a little bit. Coat the chickens. And this is how it looks. Ready to fry. See that? See that crispy flake on the chicken already? That's how your chicken come out crispy and flaky when you add it to the pot. My oil is hot right now, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add it in real quick. So my oil is hot. Boop. Drop them in. Shake off excessive flour. You don't want that on it. As long as everywhere is already covered, you drop it in. See that bubbling already? It looks like the oil is a little too high, so I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. You don't want your chicken to cook super fast. These wings only take 15 minutes to fry, guys. You don't have to go over 15 minutes, and you're gonna see when you check in chicken thoroughly. All right, I add my few pieces in. Put this away. All right, I could take these gloves off now. And I'm gonna go ahead and check my chicken. As soon as I put it in the pot, I'll go ahead and look. Go close to it. Look, this chicken just dropped, and look, it's brown already. No good. The oil is too hot, so you turn it down. Don't be afraid to turn the chicken down. You poke your chicken, guys. Don't be afraid of not to poke it. Make sure you try to poke all the chicken in the pot, so the oil could go in between chicken and fry. It's a little too high already. You don't want your chicken to be over brown and overcooked. My oil is a little too hot, but I'm gonna show you guys how that comes out in 15 minutes. I'm gonna make it cook really low because my oil is already hot, and that's how Chef Willie do it from scratch. Stay tuned if you want to know how to make Chef Willie fried chicken from scratch, chicken wings from scratch. So guys, this is the last and final thing. This is how Chef Willie chicken looks while it's frying. The oil is a little brown, but it's reusable because I used it yesterday. But look at the chicken. That's the main dish. The chicken crispy, golden brown, frying. That's a wing piece. That's a leg piece. It's crispy, crust on it. Let that fry, guys. Don't afraid to stick your chicken to get all the blood and make it, the oil could go between cracks and the creases. Chef Willie kitchen, guys. Everything delicioso. Delicioso. Alright, guys, let that cook 15 minutes. And when it's finished, I put the timer on, guys. You can use the estimation wherever you want to do it. And I'm going to show you guys Chef Willie fried chicken from scratch. Fried chicken wings. Be precise, from scratch. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes. Time to take my chicken out. Look at that golden, crispy. Hold on, let me shake the oil off. See that? That's how Chef Willie chicken. Very good, it's tasty. When it's finished, guys, from scratch, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos to come. Chef Willie crispy chicken from scratch. I gotta go ahead and taste one for you guys, but it's so hot. That's what Chef Willie crispy chicken look from scratch. So guys, this is Chef Willie fried chicken when it's finished from scratch. Take a good look, guys. French fried chicken, fried wings from scratch. Chef Willie. Making videos while patrons outside waiting. Don't forget to like, share, click that subscribe button. You know, you can follow me on Instagram. That's Highest Sale Official. Don't forget.